Y'all, your boy is back. Spark plugs on. Now it's up to see if this bad boy fire up. But y'all, when I tell y'all, spark plugs is not hard. But when you got a big ass turbo and all that in the way, you know, I had to take the exhaust off. I'm not complaining or nothing like that, y'all. So don't think your boy complaining. One thing I ain't gonna do is complain. You know what I mean? We gonna always find a way. I ain't fit even tell y'all how long it took me. Y'all gonna laugh, some of y'all. I'm acting like a rookie. But, man, we got it done. It's over. So, of course, this is the old plugs. Y'all let me know, do they look bad? How they look? So hopefully this will fire it up. And we'll go from there, man. But appreciate y'all for watching. I do have a video where we fit to actually remove the GMC, the Yukon. I know it's two GMCs and y'all like, man, what GMC you talking about? Man, you got two of them. The Yukon. We're gonna remove the interior. We're gonna clean it up. We're gonna do the Yukon. We're gonna get all that together, man. We gotta wash that truck. I do have interior I'm gonna do on it, so which I'm gonna wrap myself and do myself. Bring y'all that content, man, and hopefully we get this truck started. But your boy finna get in here, go get him something to eat. As you can see, my hands dirty, filthy. I threw the gloves off and all that. Just some of y'all know how it go. But appreciate y'all for watching. Like, share, subscribe to the video, man. And your boy finna go get him something to eat on. And I'll probably see y'all next video. So appreciate y'all for watching. Like, share, subscribe, the bell notification. Follow me on TikTok, POPPAVLOGS. On IG is POPPA_VLOGS vlogs. So I'm trying to push to 30K subscribers. I think like, not subscribers, my bad, followers. I think right now I got like 10K, so let's go, man. Run it up for your boy bringing this content. Appreciate y'all for watching your boy. I know I done said it about the 50th time, but I really do appreciate y'all. We just trying to grow this channel, man. I'm trying to bring y'all the real, authentic, all that bull crap, flogging and faking. I ain't with it. But keep it all the way G with y'all. So appreciate y'all for watching, man. So y'all, your boy back. So I know I told y'all after we finished spark plugs, I was going in to get me some to eat, which I did do. So your boy was like, man, I gotta bring some more content. So guess what? We finna try to get this thing started, man. Finna set y'all up on the tripod. Finna install this battery. Come on, man. Come on, man. Y'all there with me? Get there with your boy. I ain't got, you know what's finna go on. So, finger crossed. Yeah. Alright, so your boy be right back. Let me put y'all on the tripod and we be right back. Ooh. Yeah, we back. Let's go and get this bad boy installed, man. Yeah, I'm recording. What's up? Sorry, y'all. We was interrupted. So, like I said, I'm keeping it raw. I ain't doing no faking, no capping, none of that. We bring raw content, my boy. Let's see. Let's see if we got some power. Oh, we do. Let's see, y'all. Now y'all, as y'all can see, I don't hit a pump, so let's see. Let's see if we can hear it from here tonight. This is just the music and stuff like that. So I'm not hearing the pump cut on, y'all. Like I say, I'm not hearing the pump cut on. You know, so let's see if we can get the fuel pump to cut on. So you usually hear the fuel pump. I don't hear it. So let's go through. Let's see. Let's do some troubleshooting now. Let's go. We got on. Let's see. So I do have some fuses, my bad, fuses, and what's crazy is you're not hearing that fuse pump click on, which is so weird, y'all. So let me see, can I get it? So yeah, I think that's what it is. We not getting frilled to somewhere, and that's our issue. I'm not even hearing the pump cut on. So let me see, man. Like I said, I'm not even hearing the pump cut on. I don't know what the hell this is for, but guess what? So let me see something. So let's see. So, let me get it fused real quick, y'all. I'm not hearing that bad boy start. Boy back. Let's see. And what's crazy is, what the hell do they go to? Because I want to see something. I don't know, y'all. So, let's see. We have the, let's see, the far light. Let's see. Fuel pump. So fuel pump is still we know the starter working because it's turning over. Only thing I can think of is that, you know. Let me see. Let's try something else. Cause we got the fuel pump. Yeah, you just don't hear that. So I'm gonna swap these out. See if it make a little difference. Let me check and see. Let's see, y'all. Oh, okay. You almost. I'm gonna get under the truck just to see if it will start. I believe it's fuel pump. The fuel pump is not cutting on, so I think that's the main issue, because I swapped that over and that's not the issue. So it's got to be the fuel pump. The starter is fine. The ignition is fine. So that's what I think it is, y'all. Let your boy do that, and I'm gonna get right back to y'all. Thank you, man. YouTube, your boy is back. I got some bad news, man. Still could not get the single cab started. We changed the spark plugs, so that video coming where we install them. My bad. Remove them, install them. Remove the security system on the single cab. Try to bypass that, still didn't start. So as I'm cutting it on, there's no priming on the fuel pump. It's a Walbro 450. You're gonna hit that fuel pump, man. So your boy, as you see, your boy sweating, had a little rough, you feel me? Hands a little black again. Yeah, man, I'm gonna get in this house, and we will be removing this bed off this truck. I was trying to avoid it, I cannot. So I will be removing this bed off this truck. I will be we will be checking all that stuff under there. It's rusted, man. So probably tomorrow I'll probably push it out, get under it, and kind of, you know, wash everything, because it's got rust. So I'm gonna get under there, jack it up, and we're gonna wash everything before I put my hands on it. You know, I don't want none of what it got a little rust on it, so you know, your boy needs his hands. But yeah, man, appreciate y'all for watching again, man. Check out some of the other videos I've been uploading. The GMC tomorrow, both of these cars will be in the driveway. Both of these trucks were bad. I guess tomorrow we'll spend today washing them. Tomorrow, Thursday. But yeah, tomorrow we'll spend the day washing them, getting them cleaned up. I don't know if it's any rain tomorrow. Gotta check the weather, man. Once we do that, we're gonna take this bed off this truck, man. I can't leave this truck outside. I'm gonna let y'all use your imagination. Why I can't? Yeah, man, your boy a little bummed out, but it don't stop. I'm not gonna stop. I'm not gonna quit. We gonna figure this problem out together. We gonna get it solved, and I'm actually learning my truck. So this is just the FYI to everybody out there. Learn your shit. I mean, my bad. I gotta beep that one out. But yeah, man, just learn your stuff, man, as much as you can. So your boy is excited about it. I'm bummed out, but I'm excited. It works out at the end of the day. Process elimination. We did the spark plugs. Wasn't it? I kind of figured it wasn't gonna be it, but hey, guess what? They gapped, they changed, they done. I will be going to the fuel pump next, so I will be lifting that off. But I'm gonna clean the truck up, man. Get the truck clean. I'll bring y'all a video that I'm cleaning the GMC here. I still got to do the interior on the GMC, which we will be doing that. So it's a lot of content coming, a lot of stuff coming, and I'm excited. I hope y'all excited, man. Your boy bringing this content, and like I told y'all, since I got off this road, I'm gonna be dropping. It's like I'm working right now. I'm working for the future, because you know, eventually, you know, these trucks hopefully be, you know, something else. But nah, man, appreciate y'all for watching. Your boy gonna get in this house, watch me some scary movies, and eat me some cookies and milk. And I'ma holla at y'all. Stay tight, stay right. Holla at you.